Moms want to fatten us up. Like they show their like love for you by filling you with tons of like carby, delicious foods.
How can I get healthy while I still live at home? So her mother cooks and go to college. So how can she still live at lean at home when her mom cooks her food?
If you're in college, you got to be on a budget and stuff. But if your mom's cooking, that's actually awesome because then you don't have to be eating like top ramen like most college students. But it's hard with moms, I'm not gonna lie, because moms want to.
Love you, Mom.
I know, moms want to fatten us up. Like they show their like love for you by filling you with tons of like carby, delicious foods. But you know, kind of share your goals with your mom. Have a heart-to-heart with her, I would say, like depending on your relationship. Hopefully she would be cool with understanding that you want to eat a certain way. Also, you can prepare some of your own meals at home. I don't see why not, unless your mom's really fighting you on that.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. So take a turn. So your mom can cook meals, and then you can cook meals for your family one time and show them the difference. And if you're looking for healthy recipes, like we have tons of healthy recipes on our site, and take that recipe, make it for the family, and prove to them that you can create traditional foods, the meals that everybody knows and loves, but you can use real whole ingredients and make it taste delicious. So we'll put that challenge out to you.
Yes, that's the best thing, because really we don't want you guys to think that living lean means you have to eat differently than normal people eat, because it's not that way. And our hope is that living lean becomes normal, becomes the new normal. Just because you have old traditions in the family doesn't mean it has to stay that way. And like say that Friday night is spaghetti night or something, there's no reason you can't make like the Live Lean pasta bolognese or something like that. That's made with sweet potato noodles.
Zucchini noodles.
Oh yeah, and if you made that for your family, I bet they would be actually like really impressed and really, it would be kind of eye-opening for the whole family.
And when they see their belt line go down and their stomach and their like muscles just flowing out, they're gonna love you.
Everyone will be so happy, so happy.